Homo sapiens stand at the precipice of a technological epoch that is not merely reorienting industries, but also redefining the very architecture of human progress, life patterns and processes. Of the many disruptions and disruptive tendencies, once a speculative idea confined to science and fiction, artificial intelligence has now become the cornerstone of contemporary innovation. Needless to say, its presence is ubiquitous, from automating complex medical diagnostics to optimizing supply chains, from enhancing educational outcomes to revolutionizing national security paradigms. Then AI is no longer an auxiliary tool, it is a general-purpose technology more like steam engine or electricity with disruptive potential across all sectors of society. In this connection, Andrew McAfee, in one of his seminal works, The Second Machine Age, writes that AI represents a profound inflection point in human history, where digital capabilities increasingly complement and even supersede human cognition.